Well, welcome. I'm told we're supposed to be doing a video for what we find most intriguing about a funeral, from anywhere from the pickup all the way through to the end. And for me, well, right there, what you see is for me the most intriguing part of a funeral or funeral arrangements or whatever it is that how you ever you want to refer to them at. That is the embalming process. I find that the most intriguing part of the process. Now, I know for a lot of people that's probably not true, but I've been a pastor for 40 years and I've been helping people for a long time. And so where I really enjoy and I really love to be able to help people, I get a real, you know, pleasure, I get a real charge out of being able to help people, but I do that routinely as a pastor. What I find though for the funeral service for me is what takes place right here in the preparation room. I find it fascinating that being able to embalm a body is far more than just science. I used to think that it was all about science, all about injecting chemicals and all that kind of stuff, but since I've been working in a funeral home and I've been working under a very talented embalmer, I have learned a great many things. For one, I've learned that it is as much art form as it is technical understanding. Yes, you have to know the right chemicals. Yes, you need to know whether you're using a 21.5 index or an 18 index and why you're using them. Are we going to add restorative chemicals? Are we going to add dehydrating chemicals like a Democo? Why do we do those kind of things and what effect do they have on the body? You need to know all the scientific aspects of that. However, transforming or trying to take someone who's passed away and restore them to a place where they resemble uh, the way they used to look, almost to the point where it looks like they're sleeping, is as much art as it is the technical science. It's the art of, understanding the body, what the condition of the body is in. What do you need to do to restore features on a face? For the mouth is one of probably from what my mentor tells me is the most expressive part of the face, and it's the most important part of the face. And how we arrange the mouth, how we fill the mouth, how we set the eyes, how we do all those things, and it has a profound effect on how that person is going to look for when the time comes for the funeral or for the visitation. And then he's taught me that it's not just about what happens on the table. You start evaluating that body from the time you pick it up to the time you place it on your preparation table. And then as you're going through the process of preparing that body to be embalmed, and while you're actually doing the embalming, while you're injecting the chemicals, you are watching that body, you're seeing how that body is reacting, you are looking at extremities, you're looking at the face, you're looking at the neck, you're examining all those things to make sure that that body is receiving the chemicals the way it should, that you're getting good distribution, but also that the face and the lips and the eyes and all those things are filling out the way you want to. It's amazing to me, really, how much different, how much a change takes place on that table right there. And I really find it fascinating. I find it enjoyable, and I find it very fulfilling to be able to, see somebody change and transform in front of my eyes like that, and know. And what really is rewarding is when I am there with the family, and we take them in for the first time during an in state, and I see a reaction from the family that says, "Wow, Mom looks just like she used to before she got sick," or Dad looks just like he used to before he had cancer, or before he went into the hospital or someplace like that. Thank you so much." Seeing that relief on their faces, seeing their loved one the way they remembered them, and the impact that it has on that family is a very rewarding experience for me personally. And so I will just say this: for me, the most intriguing part, at least right this particular point in time, the most intriguing part of the funeral for me is the body preparation and the embalming process. So Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed my thoughts on this particular situation, and be blessed. Bye bye.